here we have this BMW Series F20 coming for a navigation update. So we'll be updating it from its standard 2015 software up to 2019. And as you can see, this is a 65 plate vehicle, which we'll be updating now. So, in the car, let's start the update. So, all we have is the relevant FSC code to update the vehicle, as well as the USB stick in order for the new map data to be added. So all we'll be using is the USB slot in here to update the maps on the screen. So as soon as I pop him in there, you can see it's saying that there's an update that we can start. So we'll start that update and let that go through. As you can see here, it will slowly go through the updating process from obviously 1 to 100%, and once it is complete, we'll show you the new updated map software with the version, etc., on the vehicle. As you can see, we are on 54% on here now, or 55%. This procedure can take up to an hour to fully complete, if not longer. If you are going to be doing this, I'd suggest either having a suitable charger on the vehicle if you're not going to have it started, or keep the vehicle running, which isn't a problem also. It will still update, not a problem. So we'll get back once it's fully completed and show you the new software version. As you can see, navigation data successfully updated. So if we go into navigation, onto the maps, over to navigation system version, and you can see on there roadmap Europe West route 2019 2, and that's it. If you like a quote on updating your system, your maps on your system, we're able to provide map updates and FSC codes for Europe, any type of map data really, and for the different versions, the route, the premium, the next motion, etc., etc. Get in touch and we'll be able to give you a quote.